Jason's garage, illustrious studio. It's literally a corner in my basement. I started out in my garage, but when it gets cold, I hide down here. So, yeah, it's got this fake background I got from Amazon. I got a shelf behind me with some junk on it. But anyway, I want to make a video to help you guys get to your, first 500 subscribers as quick as possible. Some of you guys are killing it already. I'm very proud of you. You just got to keep at it, keep making videos, asking people to subscribe. But I've got some tips here I want to go over with you. Some add-ons, some YouTubers to watch that really help you get your subscribers and get your video count up. I'm using the StreamYard app right now. That's what I use to do my lives with. You can also record with it so much. There's kind of a limit to it. But anyway, let's get started. 5 people I recommend. I'm not sponsored by any of these people whatsoever. I just watch them a lot. I've watched them a lot during my YouTube journey, and I'm still small. I mean, I've gotten a lot of new subscribers, which is awesome, but I've still only got I'm over the 500. I'm not bragging. I've really worked hard for it, but I'm like 2,100 and something. So, but it can be done very easy. Just keep at it. But anyway, watch vidIQ. Great videos, great guy. He's funny to watch. Good tips. Nick Nimmin, he's a beast on YouTube about, he does live streams on Saturday for like 4 hours. This guy's a monster. Channel Makers, guy named Nate. He's really good. He does a lot of little experiments that you don't even know he's doing until like the next video. Really interesting. Think Media is a very big YouTube, podcast. Just all of the social medias. Great people. Big team. And then there's a guy named Pat Flynn. He does a lot of the podcasting stuff, but he has a lot of tips on cameras and cheap cameras and how to set your cell phone up as a webcam. I actually just watched that video today. I'm going to try and set that up. But literally all you need to do this is your phone. You don't need a whole lot of fancy equipment. Couple Google add-ons that I highly recommend is Tubebuddy. It adds analytics, and you can make your thumbnails right there with it. It's really nice, really easy once you add it on. vidIQ has an add-on for Google, which is really nice. Same thing, more analytics. It has little special, prizes like it sends you when you get to a certain amount of views or subscribers or what have you. It's really neat. I like it a lot. And of course, I use the StreamYard app, which I told you guys there is a free version. It's really handy because I can record these videos on it and just upload it right to YouTube. You need to be patient. This is not a sprint. It's a marathon. Be consistent with your videos. If you can do live streams, do a live stream once a week. A certain night like mine's Tuesday night at 8:30 Eastern time every week, unless I got the Rona. But we're over that now, so we're good. So that's that from my scratching pad. I got a little whiteboard here. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see it, but came up with, let's see. Yeah, came up with a few things. I'll just kind of go over it. But first thing, ask your viewers to subscribe. Super easy. No problem. Say, hey, you like what you're watching? Subscribe. You get to see more of my stuff. 2, you can create a link that will automatically pop up when they click on your video. It'll say, do you want to subscribe or ignore? I mean, a lot of people aren't going to ignore it. It's free to subscribe. Click this link. There's videos. Just Google on, and YouTube. Just Google create a link for YouTube subscribers. Then you need to create a watermark, which you guys should be able to see down here. It's in your YouTube studio. You can go in there where you put your channel name and banner and all that stuff. And there's a little one down there to create a watermark. You can download those right off Google. Put the little subscribe link down there in the corner. I think it's down here. Get that going on, then they can just click that and subscribe automatically. And of course, make videos. Number one, that should be on the top up here, like bold letters. I only have one color, but it should be like red. Make videos. That's all you got to do. Hit record, make videos. You guys are doing it. It's awesome. Another way to get more views and more subscribers is find Facebook groups that are interested in what you're building. The type of car, truck, what year, what make, what model. I mean, there's bazillions of groups out there. I have a DIY auto repair group, which is really doing well. You can create your own groups. Go for it. Intros to your videos. It's kind of a touchy subject. I really don't recommend you have an intro, because if you ever watch your analytics, when the intro comes on, viewership drops. If you do make one, make it very short, and I mean very short, like 2 seconds. I don't even use them anymore because I've noticed that they just kill my videos. So I don't use them, but if you want to, just try and keep it short. Speaking of shorts, do shorts videos, 15, 30, 45. It's always less than 60 seconds. Get your link up there when that video comes up. Boom, subscribe to me. Thanks. And that's a process, creating that link. So you need to look up some videos on it, but there are some short, sweet videos how to do it. It just makes a real short link. Hashtag your shorts videos, hashtag shorts, or on your phone, it automatically do it if you just, hit create a short. But that's some tips that I have for you right now. I hope it helps everybody. Like I said, I've been watching your videos. I just got done watching videos. I do watch a lot of YouTube videos. It's all I pretty much watch anymore. So this time of year, consumption is up because it's wintertime and the weather's gross, and people need entertainment. They need something to do. So just get out there and get to work. A lot of you are getting ready to. I'm here for you. I'll give you that little push, and let's make this thing huge. So hashtag no name nationals, hashtag get your 500 subs quick. I'm going to put those in the links, and get out there and fix something, y'all. We'll see you on the flip side.